Do you know that there's probably 3 to 6 high ticket sales sitting in your inbox right now? And if you're relying solely on automation to close your high ticket sales, then I'm damn positive that you're missing more. Now, you can continue to scroll and ignore what I'm about to tell you, and let other marketers who just understand this grab them and get paid for them. That's totally your call. See, when I first started my business, I spent months stuck in the cold conversations on the daily. I was adding 30 plus new people every day and sending out roughly 50 cold DMs per day. And then I went to closing over $120,000 in 1 year online, because understanding the power of content and what brings your buyers to the service, that finally clicked for me. And this allowed me to not waste my time on people that will suck me dry and just want free shit, and focus that time on people that actually are committed and dedicated and ready to rock and roll when it comes to an online business. Now, we're rolling out the red carpet to allow a few other people to come out and hang out with us for 4 days and give you the exact framework so that you can focus on the exact buyers you want and close more sales without the hassle. So if this is you, head over to my profile and into the hub so that you can apply or get any questions that you have answered. Or alternatively, drop a buyers below, but make sure that you're following me. Ciao for now.